Hey boys and girls, here we are, day 17 of our February daily math. All right, number one, 120 plus 66 equals 66 plus 120. That is true. I don't even need to do the addition because commutative property of addition says that is going to be true. Doesn't matter which way you have the numbers, they are going to equal each other. All right, number two, write three odd numbers that are less than 40. Well, the very first odd number less than 40 would be 39. We can go 27. And how about 15? All odd numbers because the ones column ends with a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Number three, rewrite this problem to make it easier to solve. Okay, let's go 40 minus 20 minus 1 equals what? Well, 40 minus 20 would be 20, right? Minus 1 more would be 19. All right. Number 4. Which would you rather have? 5 cents a day for 9 days or 2 quarters? Well, let's think. 5 cents a day for 9 days. So that's like taking 9 times 5, right? Which would be 9 times 5 equals 45. 2 quarters, a quarter is worth 25 cents. So 25 and 25 is 50. So I would rather have the 2 quarters. Why? Because it is worth more. 5 cents more. Number 5, instruments played by students at Beantown School. We have guitar, piano, and violin, and it's also spread out between girls and boys. How many more students play guitar than violin? So we need to find the total of the guitar first. So guitar between boys and girls is 31. And the other one was violin. So violin, 12 plus 7 equals 19. Now, to figure out how many more students, we are going to subtract 19 from 31. So we can go 31 minus 19. Now, to do that, we have more on the floor, borrow from next door. 11 minus 9 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So how many more students play guitar than violin? 12 students. Very good. Another way you could do that quickly would be just change it to 20. 31 minus 20 would be 11. And then add that 1 back on to make it 12. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today, day 17. See you tomorrow for day 18. Keep working hard. Good job.